Hey guys, back with another video. Subscribe and like. So I'm doing a troll on this video. You guys go on develop. You go to library and then you pick an audio. You find an audio called "Annoying" by Hunter Scripts. You guys might like this. This is really trolly. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Rip headphone users. Do not turn your volume low. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, rip headphone use. Copy this. You have to copy the top part. You go to this place called Free Admin by Dixpay Fresh. Probably that's what it's called. Follow me on Roblox if you want, guys. And follow my brother on Roblox. He's FloodSwag2, which is his alt account. Or you can do FloodSwag, which is a normal account that he uses. So FloodSwag2 has more Robux. I told you guys in one of the videos I'll get Soldiers Club on my feet for my birthday. Wait, first you have to health yourself how much you want. I'm gonna God me. FS me, that means force field yourself. You'll get force field, which means like no one can kill you. But there is a way to kill people. So it's gonna be okay, I can't do the music thing. So copy this code. Paste it. I'm sure this is supposed to work. Yeah, there it is. Oh god. Clone. This noise will take over the whole entire server until somebody can find a way to kill these clones. I'll just sit here and enjoy the madness. Become 5, 7. What? Bro! One of these people just left the game. Two of these people just left the game, gosh. Okay, this is not gonna work at all for this guy. Wait. I'm not online dating, and I know who that is. That's Joe. Joe from Flamingo. Yeah, you guys might know him, but you guys might know him if you watch his videos. His YouTube channel name is Flamingo. way. I have to. Guys, I'm YouTube. Sorry. People are trying to kill me or something. People just don't like me. I'll even use it. Control V. How far you are, you can still hear it. You can still hear the music song. Something. If you want, guys, you can check this game out. This is just some little fun trolling that you can do. So, so scary. See you guys next time.